Hello guys, welcome back. It is Clue, and we're going to be putting the color kit on the Spire 3 today. The chromatic ice. Yes, sir. Whoop. Also, if you guys don't know, I'm going to start streaming again. I got an overhead camera now. This wasn't used in this video or the next video. The next video is going to be my keycap video. But yeah, if you guys watching, but if you guys haven't, go down there, hit that Instagram and Twitch link, and also follow me there if you'd like. I mean, it's, you know, up to you. But yeah, let's get straight into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. And this is my first video of 2023. Let's get right into this shit. Later.
So we gotta take out 2 screws at this bottom portion here. So then that just should disconnect these 2 here. Alright, so we can put that aside because I don't think we're touching any more of that. It's more of this that we need. So we need to take out these 2 screws here by the latch. We could take out the ring. We need to take out these 2 at the front portion. And then we have to push a pin. So there's that. Alrighty. So I'm gonna take this time here to just clean this up real quick. So I'll just see you in just a second. Alrighty, so we got that cleaned up. I'm gonna just leave this one a little dirty because we're not gonna put that in anytime soon. We're just gonna be taking the windows off now. There you go. This is our top shell, completely stripped of the color ring and the 2 windows here. Now it's time to open up this bad boy. And I guess it's a good chance to show you this bad boy as well. Woo! Yeah. Alrighty. So we're gonna do the chromatic ice on this bad boy. Ooh, it's clean. We're not going to be putting the badging on. Don't really care for it, to be honest. Just going to put that aside for now. And we're going to go ahead and put the windows on first. There's something about like that, and then you want to fold these pieces in. About there. Look at that. Yes, sir. Alright, so to the color ring. And make sure it does go through the spring as well. That's where I first messed up. So it looks just fine now. Go ahead and push it the rest of the way through. We got it. I think we got it. Now we just put the screws. There you are. The color kit swap on the Virtue Spire 3. Well, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. And yeah, you guys have a good one. Adios, and a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Yeah, because we're in December. But hey, 2023, baby. Alright, thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you sexy asses in the next one. Peace.